Welcome everyone to this episode of the AskJasonGelios show. I'm going to be sharing with you 3 important ways to protect your home, if it's a smart home, from cyber threats. Things like smart thermostats, smart cameras, smart doorbells, things like that, other smart technology that equips a home are subject to hackers and threats, especially cyber threats. And so I'm going to share with you 3 things that you should absolutely do to keep your home safe. First one is have a different and separate email account to log into for your smart home system. Don't use your regular email. Create one. It could be, smarthome@gmail, whatever. But have a separate email account for your smart home system. The next one is follow best practices, like using 2-factor authentication, where you have to actually complete 2 steps to authenticate to log in. Have some strong passwords. Don't use the same password for everything that you have. Use a different password for your smart home tech, and only work with reliable companies that have reputable histories, and keep your devices up to date. Make sure that you update all smart home technology just like you would any other form of application on your computer, let's say. And the third one is make a list of all your smart home items, and just make sure that you do these first 2 tips that I mentioned. Make sure that you do those for every device. You might forget a device and think, oh my gosh, I didn't do that. And if you're looking to sell your home, make a list of having that list of all your smart home technology items will make it clear to the new buyer, hey, this is what is going to be transferred over, because most smart home technology is transferred over to the new buyer. This is what will be transferred over to you, the home buyer, okay? And before you leave the home, right, after your sale, make sure that your account information is disconnected or logged out from every device, which helps if you have a list of them. So these are the top 3 ways to protect smart homes from cyber threats. I'm gonna actually run through it really quick here again for you, okay? So 1, have a different and a separate email account to log into your smart home system. 2, follow best practices like using 2-factor authentication, have a strong password, and only work with reliable companies, and keep your devices up to date. And the third one is have sellers make a list, or you make a list as a home seller, or even just a homeowner. Have a list of all your smart home devices, and if you sell your home, make sure that you disconnect your information from those devices. So those are, again, the top 3, okay? So I really appreciate you guys watching. Go ahead and like, comment, follow, subscribe, hit that bell if you're watching this on Rumble or YouTube, and please share this episode with others who may have actually smart home devices in their home, okay? Otherwise, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.